everybody, Jim King, your favorite piering contractor, back out here at Hutton Farms with my amigos. This project here, the floors, when they build a home, there's usually 3 pours of concrete. They pour the footing, and then they pour the walls, and then they gravel the basement floors and pour the floors. The floors under this townhome, it's all about the dirt that's underneath the floors. The dirt is unstable, it's causing the floors to move. So we're gonna come in here with 2 king piers. We're gonna go with one right there, that's down, and one right here. And we're gonna raise this up to match this right here for the folks. And then we'll seal all the cracks and we'll call it good. We'll probably be done today or tomorrow morning. Stay tuned, King Piers, Lawrence, Kansas. For all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-521-8915, or you can go to our website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.